Good morning class 4, welcome to the offline class. As yesterday we have completed smart chart, so from today we will start the revision, and this revision we will start from chapter number 14 smart chart. Okay. See, in this chapter we have learned different types of chart, like the pictograph or the pictorial representation. Then we have learned the bar representation like the stripes. We have learned the circular chart, that means it is given in the circular form the information, and you have solved the questions which are based on this information. Okay. Now suppose it is given in the statement form, that means all the informations it is given in the statement form. How you will solve that one, that we will do it today. Okay. So this is just the revision from your math magic book. I will write the question on the board, you will solve, and then you will see what is the answer. Okay. I am writing the question and answer both. See, suppose the question is all children of a school take part in different clubs. In different clubs. Half of the children in the class take part in the games club. One-fourth of the children are the members of the garden club. If there are 200 students in the school, then find it will be then number 1, the games club has dash members, and second, the garden club has dash members. See, here the data is given in the form of statement, that all children of a school take part in different clubs, and half of the children they are in games club, and one-fourth of the children they are in the garden club, and the total number of children is given 200, or the total number of students is given 200. You have to find out that how many are there in the games club and how many students are there in the garden club. So as you know that the games club, it is half of the children are in games club, that means half of 200 is 100, isn't it? So 100 members are in games club. Next, the garden club. In the garden club it is 1/4, that is 200 divided by 4. So it will be 50 members. So for the games club it is 100 members, and for the garden club it is 50 members. Okay. So, this way if the question is coming in the statement form, you will solve it. Okay. Now, write the second question. Now, write the second question. Some children were asked which of these they liked most. Is it tea? Is it coffee? Or is it milk? The students or the children, they were asked this question, that which thing they like the most, tea, coffee or milk. So, the students answered that number of children liked tea is 10, coffee is 10, and that of milk is 20. Now, the question is, children who like milk are dash of the total children. Children who like milk are dash of the total children, and children who like coffee, children who like coffee are dash of the total children. Okay. So, here it is given that the children they like the tea is 10, and number of children they like coffee is 10, and number of children they like milk is 20. So, you have to find out that children who like milk are dash of the total children. Now, for this you have to find the total children, isn't it? So, total will be 20 plus 10 plus 10, that is 40. So, out of 40 children, 20 children like the milk, that means it is half, isn't it? So, what you will write? Children who like milk are half, or 1 by 2, 1 by 2 of the total children. And then children who like coffee is 10. So, out of 20, 10 children they like the coffee, that means it is 1/4 of 40. So, you will write here 1/4. That means children who like milk are half of the total children, and children who like coffee are 1/4 of the total children. Okay. So, this way you will solve the smart chart, means if this type of question comes you will solve like this. Okay. So, let us write question number 3 now. See, write question number 3. Find the boundary. Find the boundary of the figure. Not the figure, right? Find the boundary of a triangle whose sides are 15 meter, 12 meter and 9 meter. Now this is given that find the boundary of a triangle whose sides are 15 meter, 12 meter and 9 meter. So how you will find the boundary? You have to add it, or it is the perimeter of the triangle. That means adding all the sides. So you will add 15 meter plus 12 meter plus 9 meter. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, that is 36 meter. So 36 meter is the answer for the boundary. See, this type of question, no need to write the statement, because in term 2 you will have the MCQ pattern as you have done for term 1. Same type of pattern, same type of questions, okay, as you have done for term 1. The same it will be followed in term 2 also. So no need to write the statement, because it will take a lot of time. Just you calculate, you solve and then you click to the right answer. Okay. So here also, since it is a statement problem, we will not write the statement, directly I am writing the solution. Okay. So this way you will solve this boundary, that means perimeter. To find the perimeter or to find the boundary, this type of, you will add all the outside boundary of the figure, whichever figure is given. If it is given rectangle or hexagon or heptagon, whatever is given, you will add all the sides, that will give you the perimeter or the boundary of that figure. Okay. So in this fields and fences, there are many questions related to perimeter and area. For area, you have to find length into breadth. Okay. First write the length and then write the breadth, then multiply both. You will get the area of that figure. Suppose there is a square given and it is asked that inside that how many squares are there. So for inside that you have to find the area of the figure. Okay. So first of all you count how many squares are there in the lengthwise and how many squares are there in the breadthwise. Then multiply that two squares, you will get the area of that figure. Okay. So students, today up to this only, you revise it, and if you have any type of doubt or any type of queries, let me know in the online class or over the e-portal, on the e-portal. Okay. So bye all of you and practice the maths.